Actually, this is the fourth installment. I didn't realize who. But yeah, this is the fourth installment. So, good to know. As you can see, everybody has pretty interesting stats here. To the corner here with a 66, that's how many big blinds I have. Richie has 16 bigs, and yeah, that's interesting. Nice little squeeze here by Richie. I like the squeeze. I like the fold. Okay, so yeah, so let me point that out real quick, guys. So the button, oh, this is nice. The on the HUD, right here, the corner number, top corner, represents the blinds, how many blinds you have left, and as you can see, Chronic is at 7 big blinds, so he's in the danger zone. Riverman's at 42 bigs, Richie's at 20, and Chronic's at 7, and also SV Guide at 44. So yeah, so SV Guide raises. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fold. Yeah, it really kind of irritates me that the merge HUD's not working, or the HUD Holder Manager can't work with merge tournaments right now. For whatever reason, it's kind of irritating, but it is what it is. But you know, what can you do with that? Prime Judas has 20 bigs, and SD guy has 46. Kind of interesting, actually, if FCB guy popped back. I'm wondering what he could pop back with. What's his range? I'm thinking pocket pairs plus, um, uh, yeah, that kind of area. Yeah. Now, again, I think Riverman might squeeze here because I calls. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna check here. Obviously, I'm pretty much the only person that's been aggressive at this table, and so when people start to flat you, that should send out warning bells, like you know, obviously something going on here. So cool, king 10 suited, gonna open UTG plus one. Um, my lovely wife had just entered the office, and yeah, happy about that. Richie just called out of the big, and this is really interesting. He jams here, so it's pretty good. It's like a stop and go kind of deal. He just called my raise pre and then jams post. Go ahead and fold it. This is the poker site I was telling you about. Um, um, a new poker site I'm playing on. I merged today. I made two final tables, but I mean, a long time no final tables. So it felt good. And consecutive nights final table for AP. It's kind of cool. Alright, guys, so it looks like we're getting flattered by a lot of people now. Real interesting. Hopefully, we flop mono clubs on the flop. And, okay, Chronic Power decides to jam. We're going to go ahead and call. And, oh, yeah, please. We get a great flop here. We're going to go ahead and bet out 220. Oh, man, we totally missed. But oh well. Alright. Man, would have been, that's a great flop for us. A great uh, pull down, but we didn't. Alright. Um, and so FE guy doesn't understand why I bet the value. But whatever. So we're down 58 bigs. We get pocket kings and small blind. All is not lost. We feel good. And we're going to make it really weird here. We're going to make it default. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, the reason why I bet that is for value. We're in a multi-way pot. Somebody's gonna call, and if not, then I get a heads up with chronic poker. All good. Blinds are up now, so we're at 50 bigs. Prime Judas is at 19, Riverman 27, and Richie is at 19. Is so basically, excuse me, excuse me. Okay, so chronic side 2 limp, we fold. Let's see. So, looking okay. Chronic jams. This is really weird. Awkward jams here. I mean, what if somebody has a 6? If you have a 6, you're not getting much value for that. So, I mean, it's just awkward all the way around. And I'm not a big fan of that. So, we're opening. Prime views has 18, 28, 18, 23. He jams here. So, we'll go ahead and fold. So, fold. And hopefully pick up a hand that we can. Oh, there we go. Speaking of which, so we're gonna do the same thing. Which he calls. I mean, Riverman calls rather. Sorry. So 169 in here. We're gonna bet fairly innocuous. And we're calling a ship, but nobody had anything there. Unfortunate for us. But fortunate enough, we get Ace King in the big blind, which is awesome. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and make this power poker at its finest. So it's interesting. A lot of people are just calling. They're not doing anything. Fine Beauty decided to raise, and we're gonna fold. And Chronic probably calls. Yeah, expecting Chronic to call there. I'm bet out by Prime Beauty. A fold by Chronic. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and raise again. Get a call by SV guy. Yeah, I don't think he has an ace here, but like the reason why I don't think he has an ace is he'd probably pop it back. But at the same time, it's also on the flip side he could be trapping. But if he's trapping, he would be uh, he would be he would be just calling versus anything else. All right, I'm gonna make it really big. And yeah, he folds. So I mean, we gotta play power poker and get people to fold, which we kind of lucked out there. Yeah, that was kind of cool, kind of neat. Um, no, we don't need to show them a bluff or anything like that because I mean, really, reality is they think I'm bluffing a lot, so let them figure out when I'm bluffing and when I'm not. Don't want to give them any free information on that in that sense. So, so we're gonna go ahead and open again. Keep in mind people's stack sizes. So we got 24 bigs here, 24 bigs here. We flop a really good hand here, so we're gonna go ahead and make it really small. And getting in against SV guy. He probably gonna ship, but no, he doesn't. Oh well, it's just drooling over the fact that he might ship there. But well, it's okay. So we're doing fairly well. We got basically people getting close to the 10 big blind marker, and yeah, things are looking up. So this is the fourth installment video so far of this series, and we are 11 minutes or 12 minutes into it. Um, and this looks like pretty interesting. Looks like Richie can squeeze. Like these guys, I think they're squeezing with hand, but at the same time, it's it looks nice. But I don't necessarily think they're squeezing for the sake of squeezing. I think they have a hand when they do that. Okay, so chronic power calls, no surprise. We're gonna go ahead and fold. Um, he shoved, which is understandable. Because if he has ace, queen, ace, jack, ace, whatever, he can't call really. So yeah, that was interesting. It looks like these guys like the 96,000 96K raise. Um, that's like 4x around there. No, yeah, 4x. Interesting. All right, we'll go ahead and fold here. Call it power, poker, queen 8-0. Wow, people are starting to open up now. I think people are starting to realize that they're getting short, and so they're opening up because they're really close to the 10 big blinds area. This is a pretty interesting flop. I think whoever bets it gets it. I think if Richie bets, wow, what the heck? Yeah, I don't understand this stuff here. It's like just bet it. I mean, like if you don't have the heart flush, somebody calls you, you're screwed. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. If I'm a Riverman, I'm calling that. That looks really bluffy. What he did there. Yeah, that's automatic. Richie does that. I'm a Riverman. I'm calling there. At best, he has a hard draw with a pair, but I don't know. That's just if he didn't. Oh, right. I get to open again. Seems like I was like not able to open, which is kind of weird. Okay, that's cool. 22 and 20. Good results. We do have to be cognitive of the fact of people reshipping on us, so we got to be very careful on like what we open. Um, and this guy said this guy's gonna take it if we don't start calling him. Okay, so I guess they want to do a mutiny against focus motion. which is kind of funny. So Chronic is banking. He probably calls. Uh, let's see what happens here. He does call. Flop is pretty bad. We're gonna let's see. I like a bet. Yeah, and they fold. That's cool. What happens if I check there? Basically, I lose the pot. I have to bet there in order to take the pot. And yeah, play no brainer. Probably just limp, probably with a pocket pair, probably with ace king, trying to trap or whatever, what have you. I'm perfectly happy to check my five deuce suited and hopefully flopping the nuts and hopefully gobbling up prime Judas stack. So we'll go ahead and check, and we don't flop anything. This board totally hits his limping range, so we're gonna check give up. No need to float or what have you. Um, and we're just gonna check give up. I give up. I give up. Okay, you can have it. Threes. Okay. Yeah, he limp with a pair. Interesting. I mean, ideally, I guess we could have bet, but now that we know that you check back a ton, so that's cool. We're 17 minutes into the fourth video, part four, and actually, the funny thing is, Chronic is not doing himself any favors by doing this because as much time goes by, his stack sizing gets smaller and smaller, and that's just not good for him. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's not that good for him to do that. So, and again, keep maintaining the aggressive stance. Um, with or without cards, really. Um, and just kind of do that. Yeah, the blind's gonna be. Uh, yeah, if we look now, guys, it changed a bit. So it looks like people are down to um, the nitty gritty. We got 14 bigs, we got 13 bigs, 16. Wow, everybody's short. Um, so now it's a little bit different. So now what we'll be doing is we'll be raise calling off, and so um, we got to make sure when we raise with a hand that we can call somebody shoving because pot odds are going to dictate that we call their shove because our raise is almost equal to their stack in a sense, the ratio. So yeah, that's the key component there. Of course, we're going to be raising in late position too as well. So with that being said, we're going to raise this up a little bit bigger than normal, and calling off shoves, and we're calling off chronic poker shove if he does decide to shove. Uh, he folds. Jack 7-0. Folds round. So SV guy decides to raise. Alright, that's nice. We get a jam by Riverman. And we're not thinking have to worry about it. We're just going to fold. Yeah, I thought that SV guy was gonna fold, but okay, inconsequential. We're gonna fold, fold, fold. We get raised by Richie 1313. He had about 18 bigs. We have ace, true, but we have a 3 kicker, which plays pretty bad against somebody playing super tight. We'll go ahead and fold. And we get a jam by Prime Judas, and probably a fold by Richie because he did not snap. So, yeah. King, Queen, we're calling off. Um, we're calling off River SV guy for sure, but not so much. Hmm. Alright, so we're gonna make it kind of big. So we're gonna make it. Oops, sorry. 1, 5. Basically, we're calling a shove. That's the whole idea. We're calling an on. It folds. That's cool. Right. I remember I did say that I was going to worry about people shoving on me and have to call, but wow, flop again here. Alright, so we're gonna bet like we're trying to get it here. And he folds. Okay, that's unfortunate. But the flop is so super wet. I mean, so figured bet out. Looks like it's trying to take it down. Again, chronic poker. I don't know. He's just not making sense here. He's just killing time, but he's actually escalating his demise, so to speak. Riverman raises. Blind versus blind. Defended by a big line, which is good. Yeah, Riverman probably folds. Yeah. People are raising light. That's what it looks like. So we got 18 big blinds here, 11 big blinds here, 17 and 9. Chronic decided to make a stand. SV guy, I don't know. I don't know if he understands that Chronic was short. So you pretty much have to call here. That's pot odds. And he fold, which is horrendous. Wow. Alright, so SV guy jams, we call. And he does. Should I do that? Riverman, debating. Chronic poker, debating. Call here. And after this hand, well, not after this hand, shortly soon, we're 25 minutes into the video, 5 minutes left. We're gonna go ahead and switch the next episode, or next segment. So SV guy gets their doubles up. chronic poker is banking, and we can give prime Judas a walk here. Got ace 9 here, good hand. We're gonna go ahead and open on the button, and provided that chronic doesn't do anything. But we're gonna call Riverman or SV guy shove, and then wait, I think then that'll be the hand to start over a new video. I think. Yeah, we'll go ahead and open, and now if prime Judas decides to jam, that's gonna be kind of interesting. But yeah. Nope. Luck. 350. Man, this guy chronic. Maybe he's doing some chronic. I don't know. It's taking forever. Leg fold. I gotta be conscientious of the big blind the blinds stack sizes. So they're both 10 big blind stack sizes. 490. And if you notice that the blinds go down, change color to red when they're in the red zone, 10 big blinds or less, just giving me a little warning to let me know that they're short. Yeah, I like that by Richie. Because obviously, if Riverman had a hand, he'd be jamming. Unless he's trying to trap. For what it's worth, Queen 9-0. That's a shove line versus blind when your 10 big blinds or less. I don't understand that one. Okay, Riverman jams. One after. What do I call? Oh, you have King Queen. That's unfortunate. 8-ball. Nope. King Queen. Okay, one break, guys. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, we're gonna go to the next video, but we'll be back.